Hello everybody, welcome back to my English language learning channel. Today we are going to discuss 3 different ways to talk about future events in English. Going to, will, and the present continuous tense. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding when to use each of these tenses when referring to the future. Let's go. Firstly, let's have a look at going to. We use going to when you have a plan or intention to do something in the future. It suggests that we have already decided or have made some arrangements for this event. For example, I'm going to go to gym this weekend. Things can change, but that's my plan. That's what I want to do. Or, I'm going to travel more this year. That's my intention. That's what I would like to do, but things can change. And I'm going to eat more vegetables and less sweets, like the plan you make at the beginning of each year. As you can see, going to is used when you have a specific intention or plan for a future event. It indicates that the decision has already been made, but things can still change. Now, let's talk about will. We use will to express a spontaneous, meaning without planning, decision or prediction about the future. Unlike going to, will doesn't require prior, meaning previous, planning or arrangements. For example, I'm struggling with my homework. I'll help you. It's an offer. The company will make a profit this year. Prediction. They will probably win this season. Prediction. I will do it when I have time. I promise. I promise. As you can see, will is used when we make a decision or prediction at the moment of speaking without prior, meaning previous or past planning. It is often used for promises, offers, or predictions. Lastly, let's discuss the present continuous tense. Although it is primarily used to describe ongoing actions in the present, like me talking to you right now, you can also use it to talk about future events when they have already been planned or arranged. For example, we are having a picnic tomorrow. We bought the food, we've got everything we need, and everybody knows that we are having a picnic tomorrow. Or, what are you doing this weekend? I'm having a party at my house. Would you like to come? I bought the food, I have bought the decorations, so I'm definitely having a party this weekend. And final, we are going on holidays next week. The hotel has been booked, the flights have been booked, we bought some clothes. We are going on holidays next week. So the present continuous tense, when used for future events, emphasizes that the arrangements have been made, like the flight or the food or the hotel, and the event is definite or scheduled. To summarize, we use going to when we have a plan or intention for a future event, like I'm going to exercise more this year. Will is used for more spontaneous decision or prediction. For example, I'll get it. While the present continuous tense is used to describe future events that have already been planned or arranged. Now let's check your knowledge. Number 1, I party next week. Would you like to come? That's right. I'm having a party next week because I've made all the necessary arrangements to organize the party and I invited people. Number 2, I don't know how to solve this. That's right. I will help you. I'll help you because you make a decision at the time of speaking and you offer something. And number 3, this year to travel more, learn languages, and save more money. That's right, I'm going to, because this is what you're planning to do this year. I hope this video has helped you understand the distinction between going to, will, and the present continuous tense used for the future. Remember to practice using these tenses in your conversations to become more fluent, and make sentences that mean something to you to remember them better. I will make more videos about all the ways of describing the future. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.